right, so welcome back, folks. Welcome back to the, you know what, the Booze by Rob production facilities. Located, come on, all together now, in historic Nashville, Tennessee. All right, that's getting goofy. I'll probably stop doing that. All right, but once again, we've got another unboxing. Found a company that we can use to take some pictures of the cocktails we've been making, some other things. Got a first shipment, that's in the first video. This is a second shipment with actually more backgrounds. There's going to be 6 things in this box. We've got 4 backgrounds, and their backgrounds can either be used as a background or a vertical or a horizontal surface. And there's the L-shaped things that hold them together and a mystery gift. Ooh, ah. Well, without further ado, let's get to it. This arrived this afternoon. We have not opened it, so it's a real unboxing video. Not some contrived thing, because we don't do that. We also don't cut ourselves with knives, so we're doing good already. Oh, what's this? This must be the free gift. It is a towel, hermetically sealed. I can't get into it. I'm sure it takes an adult. So, and yep, here are the stands. The L-shaped, everything's taped together. And yes, I was cutting towards myself, so don't fuss at me. I'm an adult. I know how to do this. All right, 2 stands. Packing. Trying to be careful so I don't cut anything. There's our instructions and our cleaning and how to use it and all that. We won't read that at all. All right. I'll tell you what, let's give ourselves some room. I'll get the staff to clean that up later. Don't worry about it. All right, so our first background is called Night Lights. Let's see what this one looks like. And I'll put some pictures in the video to kind of show you what these things look like. So this is a background of kind of lights that are out of focus. That's cool. This one is called Subway, because it looks like subway tiles. Subway. That'd be look pretty cool. Okay. Next one, weathered wood. All right. Sorry for that noise. Weathered wood. Go a grayish black kind of background. Could you use also for the horizontal? Lastly, silver sheet pan. Sheet. Not anything else. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, that's cool. Production staff, what do you think? Ooh, we get 2 thumbs up from behind the camera. All right, so once again, the way these work is, let's do this one. Oh, don't you fall on me. See, this is why we do one take. You get what you get. So something like that. That looks pretty cool. Put our little L brackets together. And add the back. Oh, it's a little tight. All right, something like that. And then, yes, I am going to open the towel. So this is for styling. And a lot of times people will take a towel and kind of put it at the front. So when they add a product, there's a little bit of visual stuff in the front. So idea is something kind of like that. It's how we're going to use it. So what do you think? Replica Surfaces. From their website, I'll put a link below to all 4 of the colors and everything else I can find to put a link to. You know I do. So, so until then, we're going to be taking some pictures, adding some stuff to our Instagram. And if you don't mind, if you could hit that like button and subscribe, it sure does help us out. We'll also put a link to our Instagram over at Booze by Rob. Go figure. I'm Rob. We got booze. Take care, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy.